What up, fam? Today we drinking a little holiday cheer by making some classic eggnog. Stay tuned. This delicious winter staple takes a bit of extra work, but it is so worth it. For ingredients, you're gonna need 6 large eggs, 1 cup of sugar and a couple of cinnamon sticks, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 whole ground nutmeg and 1 teaspoon of ground clove, 2 cups of whole milk, 1 cup of heavy cream, and 1/4 to 1/2 cup of your poison of choice. I chose bourbon, but rum is a super popular choice as well. Okay, so start by adding the dairy products together in a good-sized pot. Also add in your cinnamon sticks here. You can set the heat to medium-high, but watch it. You don't want this to boil or even simmer. Just get it hot. While that heats, get to cracking those 6 eggs, carefully separating the yolks from the whites. It's really important that none of the yolks get into the whites, as that's going to affect its ability to be whipped later on. Once separated, put the whites aside for now and start beating those yolks while slowly adding in the sugar. Just keep on whisking it until it's lighter in color like this. Now is the time to add in our vanilla and the nutmeg and clove mix, stirring them all in thoroughly. With that all set, we want to combine it with our hot dairy mix, but we can't just pour it in as the eggs will cook. To avoid this, just add a few ladlefuls of the hot stuff into the egg mixture while continually stirring. This will slowly temper the eggs, bringing them up to the temperature we need without cooking them. Once we are up to temp, the eggs are now ready to be slowly added into the dairy mix. This is also where I stir in the good stuff for a little extra holiday cheer. At this point, I bring the heat down to medium and continually stir. Again, you do not want this to boil. But to be safe, we want to get the temperature up to around 160 degrees, just to make sure that all the harmful bacteria is dead. Once we're at temp, remove the mixture from the heat and set it aside to cool off for a bit. While that cools, start beating the egg whites from earlier. We want these to be whipped to the point that they form stiff peaks. Once there, slowly start combining it in with the cooked mixture. We want to fold these in carefully so we don't damage that thickness we achieved from whipping. There ended up being way more than I thought there'd be, so I had to transfer this mix into the larger bowl. Just keep on combining it until it's thick and smooth. From here, just put it into the refrigerator and let it cool off overnight. I ended up transferring mine into this bottle just for easier storage. Now you may notice some separation occur. No worries though, just mix it back together and you are good to go. All that's left to do is pour it over some ice and top it off with a bit more nutmeg. And there you have it, a classic holiday treat with enough kick to deck your halls all winter long. And let me tell you, this is the best eggnog I have ever had. So much better than the store-bought stuff. Well, I hope you like this one, fam. Please give it a try and let me know down in the comments. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe so you know when I release new content. Happy holidays, and as always, keep leveling up, you.